In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive public. If you've ever needed to share a file or a whole folder with people outside your immediate circle without adding every single email, this is for you. Public in Google Drive means anyone who has the link can access it. It doesn't mean the file is listed on search engines by default, but it does mean the link can be opened by anyone it's shared with, so be sure there's nothing sensitive inside before you proceed. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing in to the correct account. Take a second to confirm you're in the right drive, especially if you use multiple accounts for work and personal files. Find the file or folder you want to share. Right-click it to bring up the Options menu. If you prefer, you can also select the item and use the Share icon at the top. Both paths lead to the same place. Click Share. A window will open that controls who can see your content. In the Share window, look for the section labeled General Access. By default, this is usually set to Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open the item. Click the drop-down that currently says Restricted. From the list of options, change it to Anyone with the link. As soon as you do this, Google Drive updates the access so that anyone who has the link can open the file or folder. This change is saved immediately. There's nothing else you need to confirm in order for it to take effect. Right below that setting, you'll typically see a role such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. For most public shares, Viewer is the safest choice, since it lets people see the content without changing it. If you're sharing a folder, keep in mind that this setting applies to the folder and generally to items inside it, unless you've set stricter permissions on individual files. If you're using a work or school account, you might see an option like Anyone in your organization with the link. That only shares within your domain. To share broadly beyond your organization, make sure you select Anyone with the link if that option is available to you. From here, share the link wherever it needs to go, and you're done. If you ever want to reverse the change, come back to the same General Access section and switch it back to Restricted. That instantly limits access again. And that's all it takes to make a Google Drive file or folder public using a shareable link.